What is going on, guys? Terminator GT here. Today I'll be bringing you something different. We're gonna be doing some racing today, and yeah, let's get into it. Let's do this. Oh my god. Already losing. Oh, I thought this thing would handle better than that. God dang, everybody passed me like it's no tomorrow. Come on. Here we go. Move. Move. I'm passing you. Passing you too. See ya. We got it. Nothing but Audis. 3 laps. See ya. Move. We got it. We got it, guys. Let's go. Can't wait till the new map expansion come out. When it comes out, I'll be playing it for y'all. May make that video a little bit longer than the rest of them. Woo! Turbo sounds good. You got it. I think this is gonna be the 3rd lap right here. Thank God you could break them. Last lap. Oh, I need more brake. Oh no! Please tell me I got that. No! Are you kidding me? Oh my God! I'm pissed. Can we come back? Is the question. Come on, we can do this. Come on, Tyler. You got this. We cut through grass, everything. Excuse me. Come on, Tyler. Come on. You got this. Woo. Oh, I can't shift. No. No, are you kidding me? Oh, alright, let's try this again. God dang. I'm pissed. Alright, here we go. I'm not losing this time. How is this car so much faster? I'm all the way on the brakes. They cheat. Alright, here we go. Just need to concentrate. That's all I need to do. Now y'all see why I don't race on here. Last second. Don't have rewinds on no more. So can't rewind. Oh! Got it. Excuse me. Taking the inside. Excuse me. You got it. Excuse me. Come on, come on. I could have sworn. Come on. That spot right there. Sorry, we got this. Don't worry. I'm coming for you, baby. Excuse me. Oh! What's going on? No! Thank you for the boost. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. One around. Oh. Ah. We got that. Let's go. Come on. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Got it. Go, move. Up around this corner. Alright, we got it. Piece of cake, guys. We got it. Oh my god, we floating. Finish line. I'm scared. We got it! Let's go! No wins! Victory. Look at that color. That color hard. Oh, please, I want that 100,000. Yo. Come on, come on, come on. 20,000. That sucks. 40,000. Alright, we gotta hit up another race, guys. Justice. Wish they showed you what races I did, you know what I mean? That makes sense. Alright, let's try this. Oh, that's back there. Did we already do this? We did. Alright, let me find the race that we gotta do. Okay, I think this is it. Circuit. I don't want to do another circuit. But looks like we don't have to, so fast travel. Okay. Here we go. We're gonna do this race, then we're gonna go out and drift that GTO. I think it's gonna be GTO. We're gonna drift. We're gonna drift something. What's the map pack called? I think it's called Blizzard Mountain. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Start. Oh, it's raining. We got all-wheel drive though. You got it. Please tell me we hit that. Woo, all-wheel drive drifting. Excuse me. Thank you. We got it. Whoa. Why are you hitting me? Got it. Ah. Got it, guys. Thank. Look at this guy. That was the end. I would have been pissed. Excuse me. Going a little off over here. And brake. Excuse me. Thank you. Got it. Oh my God. No. Thank you for the boost. Not passing me, sir. You got it. Only second lap. Oh, I'm passing you. I'm passing you, sir. Excuse me. Oh, you tried out. I see how it is. Can't see nothing with this rain. Alright, it stopped raining, yes. You got it. Alright, we need to pass this guy up here. Take that, cut that little close. Cut this little close, no brakes. Alright, brakes. He coming for you, sir. I think. I don't know, guys. Oh, man. Second place. That sucks. Oh, well. Not bad, though. Oh, we tied. We are tied up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way tied up. Oh, we got a wheel spin. Got a wheel spin. Alright, let's do this. What we gonna get? Oh, I don't want that crap. Come on, come on, come on. Give me 100,000. Or 2,000. Hate this game, man. Alright guys, we got one more race and I'm gonna switch up the car. Actually, I think I might want to keep this. Alright, let's drive down to there. Do a little drifter. Change up the angle. Not bad. Do have on race tires. Okay. Sounds good. Oh my god. Can't shift. Good thing them trees are breakable. What's up there? Let's go up here. Oh. Uh-oh. Don't hit that tree. Don't hit that tree. Ooh! We landed it. No way. The drip zone? We drifting. Alright, we have reached the destination. Hopefully this is a short race. Race. English. Alright. More Audis we want to beat. Start race. Here we go. Good start. Take that back. At least it's not raining though. Try this view. Get that turbo. Oops. Only 2 laps. We drifting that. You got it. Got it, we got it. Oh my god. Too soon. It's a short race. I should have made 3 laps. Hopefully we can come out on top. Come on guys. Come on. Oh my god. Gotta restart. Oh, we could do this though. We got it though. Okay. Got it. I don't know why I hit the brakes. Excuse me. Why are you hitting the brakes? Please tell me we got that. Please. Yes, we got it. Why won't the car turn? No! Oh no, you don't. I'm coming for you. Excuse me. Might use his handbrake. Oh, y'all should see my face. I'm focusing right now. Got it. Let's go. We're gonna get a wheel spin here. See what they give us.
Congratulations to our championship winner again!
I'll take that. Take that too. What they give us? What they give us? Oh, please, please, Horizon Edition, please, please. Oh, I'll take it though. Dang man, I want that Horizon Edition so bad. I wanted it so bad, guys. Haven't got a ride this car in a while. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end off the video here. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe. It's getting real dark and I can't see. And guess what? I'm out. Peace.